Looking for the ultimate productivity mouse? Meet the Logitech MX Master 3S, engineered for precision, comfort, and control. Check out the affiliate link in the description below for the latest deals and availability. The MX Master 3S features an upgraded 8000 dpi optical sensor, making it incredibly responsive on any surface, even glass. It connects via Bluetooth or the included Logi Bolt USB receiver and supports up to 3 devices with Easy Switch. You get a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 70 days on a full charge, and fast USB-C charging gives you hours of use with just a minute of charge. This mouse is all about workflow efficiency. The signature mag-speed electromagnetic scroll wheel is ultra-fast, precise, and nearly silent. Perfect for flying through long documents or precise line-by-line work. It also has a dedicated thumbwheel and customizable buttons, great for video editing, design work, or Excel power users. Thanks to Logitech Flow, you can seamlessly move your cursor, files, and text between multiple computers, even between Windows and macOS, whether you're a creator, coder, or multitasking pro. The MX Master 3S is built to keep up with your workflow. Hit the link in the description to grab yours today. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.